Uh-oh, Office 2 is offline. Let's troubleshoot this step by step and restore connectivity using DHCP. First, let's confirm the issue. Go to Floor 1 Overview. Under Office 2, select Office 2. Then, perform one of the following. Hover over the network icon in the system tray, or select Start Settings Network and Internet. No internet access. Check. Now let's dig into how the IP is assigned.
Click into Ethernet settings. IP assignment shows manual. Then go ahead and answer question. How is the IP address currently allocated? The answer is manual. Manual IP configuration can cause conflicts or misrouting. Let's switch it to automatic and let DHCP do the work.
Edit IP settings dropdown. Select Automatic, DHCP, Save Changes. Network icon updates to Connected. At this point, Office 2 Online DHCP active. Boom! With DHCP enabled, Office 2 grabs a valid IP and rejoins the network. That's how you fix connectivity with precision.
Always verify IP settings when troubleshooting. DHCP ensures dynamic, conflict-free assignments, especially in multi-user environments. If this lab Nikoye Prime Tech helped you troubleshoot in a smarter way, hit subscribe, like, and share it with your fellow tech warriors. Let's keep building reliable networks.